world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them today to build an event to big success. I would like to give my heartiest welcome to each and everyone who has taken out some of the time for schedule of this course. Rain International Nature Film Festival focuses on films made to project the awesomeness of the nature through the lens of the maker. Festival aims to provide a forum for all across the countries to share their interest in birds and preserving nature at its best, aiming at the gradual and sustainable development in the process. The festival brings a good opportunity for the filmmakers, professionals, and the public to meet the initial conversation on the many important issues through the different meetings and the conferences within the framework of the event and to enjoy the films concerning the nature and wildlife at the same time. The festival will showcase feature films, short films, and documentaries from across the globe and with a central theme of the nature. Birds Club International that aims to promoting the global interest in birds, conservation of the nature and the environment through public campaigns and education. Started in 2010 by national and international award-winning Indian filmmaker Jayaraj Rajashekharan Nair as part of Jayaraj Foundation. It is registered as a charitable organization to revive and conserve the environment by tapping the utilizing optimum and natural resources. The Rain International Nature Film Festival focuses on the films made to project the awesomeness of the nature through the lens of the maker. Look deep into the nature and you will understand everything better. This is the verse by Sir Albert Einstein.
Now, let me welcome Dr. Abhilash R., the State Coordinator of Birds Club International, for the welcome address. So please.
Honorable dignitaries and esteemed participants of the third edition of Rain International Nature Film Festival, a very warm good evening to all. I am delighted to have this opportunity to welcome you all to the inaugural session of this year's Rain International Nature Film Festival. First of all, let me welcome Sri Jayaraj, who is the Festival Director of RINF 2021 and founder of Birds Club International. Through Birds Club International and Rain International Nature Film Festival, he is doing his bit to revive nature by joining hands with various strata of the society in spreading the importance of conservation. Now, it's a great honor for me to welcome Padma Shri Sundaram Verma, who is the Prakriti Puraskar winner of this film festival. He is known for successfully growing 50,000 trees in an arid region of Rajasthan with a 7% survival rate using a brilliant technique that requires only 1 liter water per tree. Now, I warmly welcome the Honorable Jury Chairman of this film festival, Dr. Khalid Ali. He is a film and media correspondent in Medical Humanities Journal in the United Kingdom. He co-founded the first Arab Forum for Medicine in Film, Egypt MedFest in 2017. Also, he is a film festival curator and jury member on the Arab Critics Awards, a platform founded by the Arab Cinema Center. It's my pleasure to welcome Sri Shankar Mohan, jury member, RINF 2021. A postgraduate in screenplay writing and film direction from FTI Pune. He worked for over a decade in Malayalam film industry as writer, actor, director and distributor. He served as the director of Directorate of Film Festivals, Delhi and the Satyajit Ray Film and TV Institute, Kolkata. Now, let me welcome the jury member, Srimati Vijaya Jaina, who is a film director and producer. In 1992, she made her directorial debut with the Oriya feature film Tara, which won the Indian National Film Award for Best Director. She was on the governing council of the Film and TV Institute of India and the National Feature Film Awards jury. With great pleasure, I cordially welcome Sri Renji Panikar, the versatile director and actor of Malayalam film industry. Now, I wholeheartedly welcome Sri Sandesh Kadu, whose films will be screened in the retrospective section. Sri David Raju, who will be presenting his wildlife photographs and Sri Prabhu PM, moderator of the panel discussion on environmental degradation and pandemics. It's my pleasure to welcome all the zonal and district coordinators of Birds Club International, members of Kottayam Film Society, and members of other supporting organizations, the members of our technical team, and all nature lovers in general. Thank you.
For the warm welcoming. Now I invite Festival Director Jairaj Rajshekharan Nair, the Indian Director, founder of Jairaj Foundation, Birds Club International, which aims at creating miniature rainforests in schools and colleges to make better environment both for the birds and humans, integrating more of the society towards the nature conservation activities. Now let us listen to Sri Jairaj sir.
Hi friends. Rain International Film Festival. We are celebrating for the third time. Last 2 years we celebrated in Munnar and Kumaragam. It was a big success. This time, due to pandemic situation, the whole world is devastated with the panic pain. But we are celebrating virtually with the support of lot of nature films. I think a lot of feature films, documentaries and short films across the world coming to this virtual platform to celebrate the third Rain International Nature Film Festival with the support of a lot of school students and college students. This time we are comparing nature and pandemic situation. The discussions, the films, everything is related to that. According to me, this situation is very bad for human beings, but it's beautiful for the nature. The nature is coming towards us. Anyway, Rain International Film Festival, third time, is coming to you as nature with a lot of treasures. Thank you. I hope you will celebrate this, you will enjoy this and experience the feel of nature through the festival. Thanks a lot. Good luck.
Nature conservation is the moral philosophy and conservation movement focuses on protecting Mother Nature from extinction and to maintain, restore and enhance our nature. The Prakriti Puraskar or the Lifetime Achievement Award for Nature Conservation is a prestigious award that the Rain International Nature Film Festival gives away every year to honor the ones who spend their lifetime for the betterment of Earth. Padma Shri Sundaram Verma from Shikhar, Rajasthan is the winner of this year's Prakriti Puraskar. The 69-year-old farmer, Verma, has grown 50,000 trees with a water-saving technique called dryland agroforestry that requires only 1 liter of water per tree in the arid Shekhawati region of Rajasthan. His techniques involve leveling the land to prevent rainwater from draining away, plowing the fields multiple times to remove the weeds and capillaries, planting the saplings in deeper and wider pits, pouring 1 liter of water in it and allowing the plant to grow. In a dry region like Rajasthan, Sundaram's technique has been very helpful for all the farmers. He has created a revolution in the field of agriculture for which he deserves the Prakriti Puraskar. Sundaram Vermaji has received several national and international awards like the Award for Innovative Farmer at International Conference on Social Perspectives in Agricultural Research and Development in 2006, the International Award for Agrobiodiversity by International Development Research Centre in Canada in 2007, National Innovation Foundation India Award for Scouting in the years 2005 and 2015. Let's now lend our ears to our beloved Sundaram sir.
Now let's see the mesmerizing ideas of Sundaram sir and his unique technique.
मैं सुंदराम वर्मा गांव दांता जिला सीकर से बोल रहा हूं। मैंने पेड़ लगाने की एक इस प्रकार की विधि विकसित की है जिसमें राजस्थान की परिस्थितियों में भी पौधे को पूरे जीवन काल में पनपने के लिए केवल 1 लीटर पानी की आवश्यकता होती है। यह विधि इस तरह से काम करती है कि जो भी ज़मीन में पानी बरसता है बरसात का और अवशोषित होता है वो वापस या तो खरपतवार से बाहर निकलता है या पड़ी हुई ज़मीन में महीन सुराखें बन जाती हैं और उनसे पानी बहुत गहराई का ही बाहर आ जाता है और वैज्ञानिक भाषा में इसको हम कैपिलरी एक्शन कहते हैं। तो कैपिलरी एक्शन से निकलने वाले पानी और जो खरपतवारों से पानी निकलता है उनकी रोकथाम करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि जब भी राजस्थान में पहला मानसून आता है उसके 5-6 दिन बाद में खरपतवार उगने के बाद में एक गहरी जुताई उस क्षेत्र की करते हैं जहां हमें पौधे लगाने हैं। इसके बाद में उस खेत को पड़ा रहने देते हैं और बरसात का पानी बरसता रहता है। जब आखिरी मानसून आता है, लास्ट मानसून यानी सितंबर में करीब राजस्थान में आता है, उसमें एक गहरी जुताई और करते हैं तो उससे बची कुछ खरपतवार भी नष्ट हो जाती है और ऊपर की जो कैपिलरीज है वो भी टूट जाती है, ब्रेक हो जाती है। तो खरपतवारों से और कैपिलरी एक्शन से बचाने के लिए हम केवल 2 गहरी जुताई करते हैं, एक पहली बरसात के बाद, एक आखिरी बरसात के बाद। जो ही आखिरी बरसात के बाद में दूसरी जुताई करते हैं उसके तुरंत बाद 4 या 5 इंच लंबा चौड़ा लेकिन 1.5 फीट गहरा गड्ढा खोदते हैं जिसमें जब पौधा लगाते हैं तो 1 फीट नीचे का हिस्सा गड्ढे का पौधा लगाने में कवर हो जाता है और बाकी ऊपर की 6 इंच जो ज़मीन बचती है उसमें हम 1 लीटर पानी डाल देते हैं और फिर उस पौधे को कभी पानी की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। अगले मानसून तक 4 या 5 बार उस क्षेत्र की निराई गुड़ाई करते हैं और कुछ नहीं करते हैं, केवल खरपतवार मुक्त रखते हैं खेत को और कैपिलरी से ब्रेक किया हुआ रखते हैं। इसके साथ में मैंने पानी को संग्रह करने की एक विधि विकसित की है जिसमें अगर कोई बगीचा लगा हुआ है या पेड़ पौधे लगे हुए हैं तो जो पेड़ पौधों की या बगीचे में जो फलदार पौधे हैं उसकी जो लाइनें हैं उनको खुला रखा जाता है और 2 लाइनों के बीच की जो खाली जगह है उसमें प्लास्टिक बिछा दी जाती है। तो राजस्थान की मेरे क्षेत्र में 40 सेंटीमीटर बरसात हुई, उस 40 सेंटीमीटर बरसात में 1 लीटर 1 हेक्टर ज़मीन से जिसमें बगीचा लगा हुआ था उसमें 20 लाख लीटर पानी इकट्ठा हो गया। 20 लाख लीटर पानी में 10 लाख लीटर पानी बगीचे के लिए और 10 लाख लीटर पानी बच जाता है, वो उसमें अन्य आवश्यक फसलें ले सकते हैं। तो इस तरह से बरसात का पानी जहाँ बहता नहीं है वहाँ भी हम प्लास्टिक का उपयोग करके और उसको जल संग्रह कर सकते हैं। इसी तरह से मैंने कुछ देसी प्रजातियों का संकलन सृष्टि के सहयोग से किया था। सृष्टि अहमदाबाद के सहयोग से एक एग्रो बायोडाइवर्सिटी अवार्ड मिला था। उसके तहत मैंने राजस्थान में पाई जाने वाली मुख्य 15 फसलों की 700 से अधिक प्रजातियां इकट्ठी की और उनको नेशनल जीन बैंक या यूनिवर्सिटी में संग्रहित किया और मैंने सूखा सहन करने वाली कपास की किस्म, सरसों की किस्म, चने की किस्म और गेहूँ की किस्म तैयार की है और कर रहा हूँ। इसके साथ में मैं हनीबी नेटवर्क अहमदाबाद के कार्यकर्ता के रूप में जो भी नवाचार करते हैं राजस्थान में, दूसरे किसान जो कुछ नया काम किया है, नया बीज बनाया है, नया फार्म इम्प्लीमेंट बनाया है या कोई और ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज की जो प्रैक्टिस है उनका संकलन करता हूं और उनको फिर मूल्यांकन के लिए हनीबी नेटवर्क के कार्यकर्ता के रूप में फिर नेशनल इनोवेशन फाउंडेशन इंडिया के पास भेजता हूं, जहां उनका मूल्यांकन करने के बाद में पुरस्कृत भी किया जाता है और अन्य कार्य भी किया जाता है। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि वर्ल्ड क्लब इंटरनेशनल द्वारा फिल्म फेस्टिवल का आयोजन किया जाता है जिसमें देश विदेश के फिल्म निर्माता और जो भी कारोबारी काम करने वाले लोग, पेशेवर लोग, जनता को एक साथ प्रकृति, वन्य जीव और पर्यावरण से जुड़ने का एक मौका मिलता है और इसमें पक्षियाँ प्रकृति को किस प्रकार संरक्षित करती है ये देखने का मौका मिलता है और अब हर लोगों को एक दूसरे को समझने का अवसर मिलता है जिसमें पर्यावरण का संरक्षण होता है और इस अवसर पर प्रकृति संरक्षण पर दिए जाने वाला सम्मान व पुरस्कार बहुत ही सराहनीय है। धन्यवाद।
Let's take this moment to appreciate his sincere efforts for a better future and for winning this prestigious award. In the flush of love's light, we dare be brave, and suddenly we see that love costs all we are and will ever be. Yet, it is only love which sets us free. I request Padma Shri Sundaram Verma to inaugurate the 3rd Rain International Nature Film Festival. Sir, please.
सबसे पहले आप सभी का अभिनंदन और आभार। कोविड-19 परिदृश्य में हम पर्यावरण संरक्षण पर ध्यान देने के लिए अधिक आश्वस्त हैं। BCI का रेन इंटरनेशनल नेचर फिल्म फेस्टिवल पर्यावरण के मुद्दों पर दुनिया का अधिक ध्यान लाने में मदद कर रहे हैं। वे चर्चा के माध्यम से समाधान खोजने में मदद करते हैं। इसके माध्यम से अधिक लोगों को पर्यावरण संरक्षण की आवश्यकता के बारे में जागरूक किया जा रहा है। सभी लोगों के लिए इस वर्ष का त्यौहार उपयोगी हो सकता है। मैं आधिकारिक तौर पर फिल्म फेस्टिवल का उद्घाटन करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय जगत, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sundaram sir, for your valuable words. Dr. Khalid Ali, the jury chairman, Rain International Nature Film Festival 2021. He is the film and media correspondent in Medical Humanities Journal in the UK. He, the co-founder of the first Arab Forum of the Medicine in the Film Egypt Medifest in 2017 and authored the critically acclaimed book The Cinematic Clinic, Reflections on the Film and Medicine. Khalid is a film festival curator and jury member of the Arab Critics Award, a platform founded by the Arab Cinema Center. I invite Dr. Khalid Ali for the felicitations.
Dear friends and film lovers, may I welcome you all to the 3rd edition of the Rain International Nature Film Festival. My name is Khalid Ali. I'm a clinical academic based in the United Kingdom. I'm a doctor specializing in geriatrics, the care of older people, as well as a researcher in aging-related problems. I've had a passion for film since my childhood. I'm currently the film and media correspondent in Medical Humanities Journal in the UK. I'm also a Global Health Film Fellow and the co-founder of the first Arab Forum for Medicine in Film. I'm honored to be on the jury panel for this important film festival. We all know that the COVID pandemic has had significant impact on all our lives. It has drawn global attention to the significant role that nature plays in all our lives. At the beginning of the pandemic, the UK government issued some regulations to protect older and vulnerable people from contracting the virus through some recommendations that they should stay indoors, what we call shielding. This was later found out to have a significant adverse effect in those people not going out on their daily walks, being deprived of the physical activity and connecting with nature. Hence, it was later on recommended by the government that people should go out on walks on a daily basis to connect with nature and to support their physical and enhance their mental well-being. I believe that nature is a healer for the mind, the soul, as well as the body. I'm grateful to Jairaj for inviting me to be on the jury for this important festival. I've come across Jairaj's films first through watching Otal in 2014, a great film about a young child experience and trauma in child labor, and that story was told against the backdrop of wonderful and amazing images of nature. Later on, one of his films, Rodram 2019, it showed the other side of nature, the wrath of nature, by featuring the floods in Kerala in 2018. Please join me in thanking the festival team, the filmmakers who will be sharing their vision with us on how nature interacts with human beings in the film selection over the next 3 days. I hope that the film selection will stimulate a healthy debate and discussion as well as provide the soul with a much needed dose of joy and entertainment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite our jury member Sri Shankar Mohanji for the felicitation. He is a postgraduate in screenplay writing and film direction from FTII Pune. He worked for over a decade in the Malayalam film industry as writer, actor, director and distributor. Subsequently, he went on to join the Directorate of Film Festivals, Delhi, and rose to the position of its director. He also came to head the Goa International Film Festival and the Satyajit Ray Film and TV Institute, Kolkata as director. In addition, he has headed the Mumbai International Film Festival. He has served as the governing council of FTII Pune and has been advisor to several film institutions. In November 2010, he was identified by the Polish government for the conferment of one of its highest civilian awards called the Order of Merit for promoting understanding between the people of two cultures. Let me welcome Shankar Mohanji for the felicitation. Sir, please.
Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to the third edition of the RAIN International Film Festival. I am Shankar Mohan, the current director of the K.R. Narayanan National Institute of Visual Science and Arts based in Kottayam, Kerala. I was formerly the director of the Goa International Film Festival and before that the director of the Directorate of Film Festivals, Delhi, and also the director of the Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute in Calcutta. I am presently addressing you as a jury member for the third RAIN International Film Festival. As a jury member, we have got to see some excellent films in the feature, documentary and short film section, and I am sure that all of you will enjoy some of these films which are very close to the very theme of the RAIN International Film Festival, which is so ably organized by its chairman and president, filmmaker Jayaraj. Jayaraj is a very close friend of mine and I congratulate him for the excellent work he has done in promoting his love and passion for nature by presenting these festivals to you. And the third edition, which is being done on the video conference, is itself very remarkable, as most important festivals and high-end festivals in the present pandemic are only screening their films through video conference. We will get to see some excellent films during the festival, and I am positive that the very theme and the very idea that has been promoted by Jayaraj with regard to his love and passion for nature will be excellently presented through some of these films that have come for participation in the competition section. So to all of you viewers, to Jayaraj in particular, and to his excellent team of volunteers who have brought forward this edition of the festival, I am wishing you all the very best and thank you so much.
Thank you, Shankar Mohan sir, for your valuable words. Bijay Jaina, jury member, the RAIN International Nature Film Festival 2021. The Indian actor, film director and producer. In 1992, she made her directorial debut with the Odia feature film Tara, which won the Indian National Film Award for the Best Director in 1997. She scripted, directed and produced her second film, Abbas. Both the films participated in the festivals abroad and received critical acclaim. Bijay Jaina was one of the governing council of the Film and TV Institute of the India from 1992 to 95 and the National Feature Film Award jury in 1993. I welcome Bijay Jaina to deliver the felicitations.
Namaskar, this is Bijaya Jaina here. Welcome to the third edition of the RAIN International Nature Film Festival. I was very happy to be here again for the second time. I was there associated with this festival on the first edition, and it's a fantastic effort to understand our ecology and environment. And last year we noticed that with the pandemic and the lockdown, we curtailed our pollution and the ozone layer healed. So that means if we take effort, we can definitely control the pollution and the environment and live a healthy life in this planet, which is good for our humankind and also for the planet. Thank you.
Now I invite Sri Renji Panikkar, the Indian film actor, scriptwriter, director, film producer and journalist who is best known for his Malayalam films. I welcome Renji Panikkar for the felicitation. Sir, please.
റെയിൻ ഫിലിം ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ 2 വർഷം മുൻപ് മൂന്നാറിൽ ആരംഭിച്ചു. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം കുമരകത്ത് വലിയ വിജയമായി മാറി 3ാം എഡിഷൻ സമാഗതമാകുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ഇന്നത്തെ അവസ്ഥയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ചിരുന്ന് സിനിമ ആസ്വദിക്കാനോ കൂടിച്ചേരാനോ ഒന്നും കഴിയില്ല എന്നതാണ് സത്യം. മനുഷ്യൻ പ്രകൃതിയോട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യരുത് എന്ന് നമ്മെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നതാണ് റെയിൻ ഫിലിം ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിൽ പങ്കുചേരുന്ന ഓരോ സിനിമയും. ഈ ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിൻ്റെ തുടർച്ച കാലഘട്ടത്തിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമാണ്. റെയിൻ ഫിലിം ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ഇക്കുറി നമ്മൾ വെർച്വലായി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നു. ഏവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ആശംസകൾ.
We have prepared a short promo video with the trailers of the films in the international category. This will be a little peek into the depth of the films that are going to be screened today and in the coming 2 days. Let's sit back and enjoy. Now it's time for the festival to begin and the curtains to fall for the inaugural ceremony. I welcome Dr. Bindu BK, the Kottayam District Coordinator, Birds Club International, for delivering the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries and viewers of Rain International Nature Film Festival 2021, a very warm good evening to one and all. It's my great privilege to be here on the occasion of the inaugural session of Rain 2021. The duty vested upon me is to cast the vote of thanks. This festival is the brainchild of the world-renowned film director Sri Jayaraj, who is also the founder of Birds Club International. With due respect, I pass my sincere thanks to Sri Jayaraj, who is also the director of this festival. Thank you, sir. Our guest of honor and the recipient of Prakriti Puraskar 2021, Padma Shri Sundaram Verma, he has kindly inaugurated this festival. With all respect, I extend our heartfelt thanks to Padma Shri Sundaram Verma. Thank you, sir. Dr. Khalid Ali is with us as the jury chairman of Rain 2021. We have listened his blessing words. I extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. Khalid Ali for his wonderful presence. Thank you, sir. Our jury members, Sri Shankar Mohan and Srimati Vijay Jana, are the true motivators for us. With due respect, we extend our thanks to Sri Shankar Mohan and Srimati Vijay Jana. Sri Renji Panikkar, a great writer, journalist, film actor, director, with many more adjectives, he has been a well-wisher for Rain since his first episode. With great respect, I extend my sincere gratitude for his graceful presence to this function. Thank you, sir. Dr. Abhilash R., the State Coordinator of Birds Club International, is a silent worker for the conservation of environment since the inception of BCN. Thank you, Abhilash sir, for your dedicated effort. Now I extend my sincere thanks to the anchors Kavya and Lakshmi, who are beautifully filling the gaps of this function. Thanks Kavya and Lakshmi. Pradeep sir, Pradesh, Srijit, Jobin and all the crew work behind this fest deserve special thanks. Now I thank all the viewers of this program. Without you people, it will not be a colourful event. Once again, I thank all and above all God Almighty. So I wish you all a great feast to your eyes and minds for the coming 3 days. Thank you all.
Let's conclude the inaugural ceremony of the 3rd Rain International Nature Film Festival by standing up for the national anthem. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय